Get ready to explore with the all-new 2026 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. This shadow black adventure seeker comes equipped with a powerful 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Inside, you will find a massive 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen, heated front seats, and a power driver's seat with lumbar support for ultimate comfort. Stay safe with the blind spot information system with cross-traffic and the lane keeping system. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Are you looking for a vehicle that handles the rugged trails of the Fraser Valley as easily as the commute down Highway 1? Whether you are heading out to Hayward Lake and Mission or navigating the busy streets of downtown Abbotsford, this Bronco Sport is built for the British Columbia lifestyle. The shadow black exterior is paired with a sophisticated medium light smoked truffle interior, making it look as good at the trailhead as it does in your driveway. Enjoy the convenience of intelligent access and remote vehicle start, perfect for those chilly mornings. The exterior features active grille shutters and an acoustic laminate windshield for a quieter ride, along with LED headlamps and tail lamps for superior visibility. It even includes the MOLLE strap system for organized storage and a liftgate with flip-up glass for easy access to your gear. This specific model also includes the convenience package, a cargo mat, and floor liners for both the front and rear to keep your interior clean after a day outdoors. A common question people ask is what safety features are included to help with parking and daily driving. Based on the details of this vehicle, it is equipped with rear parking sensors and a reverse camera system to make tight spots easy. It also features the advanced track stability system, hill start assist, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking to give you peace of mind while driving throughout the valley. For added security, you also have electronic automatic temperature control, a perimeter alarm, and the SOS post-crash alert system. Every journey is backed by 24-hour roadside assistance and a 5-year, 100,000-kilometer powertrain warranty. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.